This lesson is about creating a newsletter, and I'm going to show you a very simple way of doing this. Katie's the expert in this and has done the most with it, so I may ask her in the near future to give us a more advanced lesson. But the way you would send a newsletter is go to newsletters, and I'm going to put a single newsletter. These are just basically fancy emails that go out to everybody. And you can say I've sent one, and this does collect statistics. You can resend these things once you find one that you like, and so forth. I want to go in and hit new newsletter. And again, I'm not the expert on this. I set it up. I don't use it. You'll notice you got this drop and drag composer. I've looked at it. It's fine. You can play with it some. These are different simple layouts that you could pick from. Once you put your logo in, that was in the first lesson we did, that logo will show up in place of some of these that you see these different things. But we're just going to go to a blank newsletter. I'm going to select that. You'll notice you can just write over top. You've got a sample title, you've got sample content, you've got these Facebook, Twitter icons. I'm going to proceed to edit. Also, you'll notice you have the unsubscribe and subscription. Proceed to edit. Once I get to edit, then I can change all of this. So at this point, you see you've just got a normal, looks very much like Word type window. You can type over top of these things. I apologize. I'm making a few mistakes, but you get the general idea. You won't really change the stuff, but you can if you want to. This shows you what it looked like in pure text. Targeting, if you had men, women set up and so forth, you could choose there, but I'm going to send this to admins. Just ignore some of these other things. This tells you when it will send. A lot of times, if you're going to send this out to very many, like hundreds of people, I would have this send after work. And the most it will send is 100 per hour. That's to keep the host from thinking that you're spamming people, sending out just tons of mail. So realize that will send overnight. And then we have the option of saving it for later, to save and test, which means it would send just to a select couple of people that you could select. I would try that out and see what it's like. You can send it now and so forth. So I'm going to save and test. Save and send to test email addresses. And that is about it. I'll have a follow-up to this. There's a few other things I want to show you, including the social media icons. And so that is a basic blank simple email test.